Okay, everyone. So as we continue to learn about communications, we are going to practice with our writing and written forms of communication. We wrote our thank you letter, and we did that using the business letter format, and we're going to continue on this just to make sure that we have a good handle on how to write all different types of communications. In number 7, we're going to be completing the college letter of application. Now, I know that you don't always have to write a college letter of application in order to be accepted into the universities or a college. However, if you do write that letter, it sets you apart from people that haven't written that letter. And it just takes a little bit of time and thought to create a nice letter that can be turned in with your application packet. Okay, so it's called a college letter of application. When you're completed with this, you will upload it into Schoology. So I want you to write a letter of application to a college or a university that you wish to attend. If you're wanting to attend a trade school, use the information from that particular institution. You're going to have to do some research, obviously, to get their information, like their address and whatnot. If you're not planning on going to college, I'm always going to get those people that say, oh, I don't have to do the assignment because I'm not going to college. But that's not the case. You still need to do the assignment, and I'm going to choose for you. So if you choose to not go to college or a trade school, I want you to choose Wayne County Community College for this assignment and your writing experience. You can pretend like you're interested in any one of their one-year programs. It might be to be EMS or maybe a CNA, the nurse's assistant. You're going to choose from one of their programs if you don't have anything else in mind. You're going to need to use the internet to look up the address of the school, and you also need to find out who is in charge of admissions. So you want to get that person's name. So once you go onto the website, you're going to look for admissions and try to find out who's in charge of that. You will need to use their name. You're going to use the block style business letter format that we've been using so far, with everything lining up to the left hand side. And you can also follow along with that in the video that is provided. The goal is to correctly format the letter using all of the elements of a business letter. You need to use professional writing and tone. Be sure that you're checking for spelling and grammatical errors. That makes a big difference, especially if you're applying to get into a college, right? So you want to make sure that it sounds professional and it looks professional. I gave you an example of a college letter of application, and you'll notice when you're looking at the example, some of the material is in red. The rest of it is in black. If it's in red, that means don't forget to do this. So it has like the date block and the inside address and whatnot. You need to fill out every single line that's in red. Towards the bottom, I have a closing sentence. You must include that closing sentence verbatim, which means word for word. In the signature block, where you put sincerely or regards or thank you, whatever you're using, you need 4 lines, not 4 double lines, 4 single lines for space between the thank you or sincerely and then your typed name. The 4 single spaces between your typed name and the regards or sincerely is called the signature block. That's because once you print your letter out, you can sign your name in that space. So it's called a signature block. Okay, this assignment is due on Sunday, October the 11th. No, that's not correct. This assignment is due on Tuesday, October 20th. Okay, so it's due on Tuesday, October the 20th. I'm giving you a lot of time to get this done, so please do a good job. This is useful. It's something that you can use in your future. All right, good luck.